Trending News JA. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Welcome to another trending topic. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Now, me assume by now everybody and their mother supposed to know about Shawn and Karen saga. Now, Shawn and Karen, you know, people that say them a married couple, somewhat unstable, but nonetheless, Shawn most of all I try to make it work. Karen on the other hand now, Karen seem as if Shawn can't please her. So here the thing now, Shawn come out and admit say yeah, him agree say him thing now work every day. So sometime he work, sometime he no work. Karen on the other hand, Karen no like that. Karen want her thing every day. Every minute, every second, every day. You see it? So it pose a problem. So recently now, we get to understand say one man come to dig the pit of the yard, one pit of the yard, and before Shawn could have come back from work, Shawn here say Karen sleep with the pit man. Now, him finally grew up here and say, yo, you know, with the back in a Sophia in the background, Shawn get wicked and say, yo, him a go call the police pan Karen. Karen say, if you go on and do what you have to do. So yeah, the saga get wicked. Me I make you watch it still and tell me what you think. But me don't know if Shawn know better. But me know Karen definitely don't know better. But Shawn need to find happiness or find peace somewhere else. You understand? So yeah, him say he want a woman from foreign. So you know, if you don't know, no one feel he can come take care of Shawn and support him. Let me know, you see it? So yeah, so watch the video, tell me what you think. Tell me if you think there's help or if Karen can get any farmer help. But remember to like, share, and subscribe. See it?
Family. Yes, so she didn't trust your face, they do.
But I've never been so.
I tell us, I be a disadvantage.
I'm speechless, honestly.
Well, you know what I'm going to do now? I'll beg somebody look one woman and foreign and can get one woman from foreign. Simple 1, 2, 3.
When your car come, you can solve it.
Because, I tell us something.
I'm glad for that.
Yes, me okay, one big old long black one, fast one, come here. Yeah, that one. Can you see like you love it? Yeah, make you use it and play with it. And don't care nobody come in here.
And I can suck it too.
Me not busy what you want to do with it.
So, me going to say, Karen, what her name, Miss Ellis? So, what you say, Karen, you want me to give you sex a man time before me go to work? Because me feel say...
You? It's a liar piece of shit.
No, man, not talk about a lie, me I tell. Talk to me like how you talk to me, Miss Ellis. Talk to me like how you talk to me, sir. I'm not want you to get breaking me.
It doesn't matter about you.
Oi, Miss Ellis, hear what me I go do? Call the police. I'll call the police. I'm going to lock up your bumbo clot in your certain this morning.
You can't go and cuss him alone then. I don't care.
Because you give me fucking mad this man. You hurt me blood clot feelings.
Try not bother with the bad word in
no, man, you hurt me feeling back. I'm not like woman like she. Can get too hot out hand, man. Woman fi treat me with love and respect. Just me not get no love.
Like oh. Treat like oh.
No, not when Karen, not when I'm here. You're not gonna stand in front. You're not gonna do nothing to Shawn while I'm standing here. No, I'm not gonna. No. Hold on. No.
I'm gonna make police lock you.
Listen to me.
I'm gonna make police lock you. Remember me tell you that. You hear me tell your sister what they say? Your sister say any day you feel like you're a bad woman and you want to put your hand for me, I'm gonna make police lock you. You go like you want said.
You have mouth to talk.
Yes, you have mouth to talk.
Shawn, don't cuss nobody out here.
No man, you mouth to talk, man. Mr. Girl, you come and take this advantage of me. Every blood clot money you take from me, pussy hole, you borrow how much money from me. God forgive me. You hurt me feeling what I say me.
You have mouth to talk, but you're not man.
Go away, go, cause you take you fuck other man for me. You're not give me no sex. Go away, go.
You're drunk too.
One way I go, cause you kill a Paul.
Me kill a Paul. Tell her,
that's why boy drop iron on your foot.
Tell her,
box the boy in their face and crease the boy throat. You think me not see him one day when you tell me about or you box him and cuss him and tell him about who shot him a Batman and who shot him a Salamite. Eh? You forgot about that? In top me down there so. All the people that hey, Mr. Ellis, people them out of Mali, say
tell me say a Batman.
Hello.
No matter with that, you know. No matter with that, you know. Don't bother with
Tell
that.
me, and call me and tell me what we do.
You want-
Newton. Make Pastor man fuck you.
Hello, Karen.
Oh, no bother with
Karen.
that, you know. Don't bother with
Hello.
that. Are you?
Come out tight.
Hello.
Are you?
Come out tight, Miss Ellis. Come
Well,
out
well,
tight.
listen me. Me the right
Me
so.
a go down a station
Me the
right
right so.
now. Right now.
I mean, I was gonna make you do
Me
Shawn
say
anything.
come out
Me
tight.
a go down a station right now.
Miss Ellis, come out tight.
All right, watch it.
Shawn, you know if you go no station, come me the right so Karen can't do you nothing.
No, but
Me the right here, sir.
She don't put your hand on me.
Don't put your hand on Shawn again. Don't put your hand on
Let
Shawn.
me tell you something. Me, Karen, Miss Ellis, let me mark that word there. Remember me tell you this. You see, if Karen feel like saying gonna put your hand on me, I'm gonna make sure to tell you say, I'm me a man. Me no want a woman put the hand on me until like say they want come box me, I come roll me. Any day she
Pull up your shorts, Karen. Pull up your shorts over your belly. Pull up your shorts.
Try to do that.
Behind it.
Me I go call police and make police lock you.
Behind it.
Cause you not treat me good. You not treat me good.
Karen.
You not treat me good. And you cuss off all my brother tell my brother about my brother Batman.
Pass over Portmore, fuck you.
Karen, have some respect for me and have some respect for your husband.
Alright. Me tell you, see the drum when I full up there. I Karen make me not full of the drum. I come and style me as Batman. Every morning so, this a girl has style me as Batman. If Shami come for me, he might tell Shami say
Alright,
Shami a
listen to me.
Batman.
Since
And you and Miss Ellis as
me no want to hear what you say about me. Me no want to hear so.
You know,
Listen
me
to me.
hold on, Miss Ellis.
Hello.
Listen, do not take off the Karen. Do not.
Didn't Shami tell you the problem or him can solve the problem? Karen no want to give you nothing.
Yes.
You know how
tell
to
me.
do
And
the
then
problem.
at that, me Karen
You put on your clothes and we come pick you up. Simple.
Well, yeah, what you do?
Because Karen find
look here,
everybody.
hold on, Miss Ellis. Look here, my girl. Me a give thing tomorrow. You say when I pack up your things and I come out here, me gonna make you. Look here, man, I didn't want to tell nobody.
Okay,
You try to pack up your things and come out here, me out there.
Batman.
Better come out here, me out there. Me a tell you, me a go. Me say you go come out here, me out. Cause first thing, you not give me no sex and money time and night time. Since Shami you can't me go give you. Yes, you can give me. Nothing wrong with that.
Okay, yeah. It's serious. Yeah, that's all.
But y'all listen to talk page people about me a mad man and I talk about me. Yeah, hey, Miss Ellis. Me say me glad say everybody here for the video last week Friday, you know, Miss Ellis. You see the Osha angle?
Me know why you should angry. You and your wife start to
no, but you cannot do it, Miss.
Hello, me know.
You cannot deal with me. So.
Hello, if Karen, hello,
yes.
Karen cannot be tamed.
Miss Ellis.
I me realize that.
I share the cause that problem.
Because
go preach. Me can't get the guy man work on my time. I share the cause of the problem. See the drum if you full up, I share cause of the problem. Karen a liar and wicked long time. You understand what I say? And go on, she go love the attitude. Me not like disadvantage. I don't like disadvantage which abuse me and a disadvantage. I'm telling you what if you do, you go down a station and you call the police. Get a different woman, you can come here, we can love me and hug me up and cherish me. Them there. Flex asked her your last time say, if you massage me back, she not pay me no money. I be attitude she give me as the people ain't gone through the car and what them business. I be attitude Karen not going with. Karen not treat me not get in love with the way Karen not doing. You understand me? Exactly. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
Hello. We're not talking about hello.
No.
Hello, we're not talking about that because that only comes once a month.
You come and you
understand?
Once a month or 3 times a day come. 3 times a day, Miss Ellis.
What you say to me?
It's 3 times.
It's not on a 3 times. Every month it comes.
Well,
Correct, it come once a month.
Every month is meager.
It come once a month.
We are down in the bottom, it come.
Current, it come once a month. What about the other days?
No, 3
It
times
come one
a
day
day.
and it come together.
It come 3 times a day.
And 3 times a day come.
Me not argue with the current. It come 3 times a day.
So you see the problem when me I tell no people. You see the
3
problem when I
times
tell
a
you
day,
say
my